Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fun with Maths. So today we are going to discuss circles exercise 2 SAQs which has weightage 4 marks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. See the first question. Find the equation of tangent and normal. Equation of tangent and normal at 1, 1 to the circle two x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. So the given question is, find the equation of tangent and normal at 1, 1 to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. So here we have to find both equation of tangent and normal. To find that, we have to find the values of g and f. So see the solution. Given p, that is 1, 1 and circle s, that is 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. So we know that what are the conditions to form a circle. So what are the conditions? X square coefficient should be 1 and x square coefficient should be equal to y square. So take common 2. So 2x square plus y square minus x minus 5, and if we take 2 as common, we should write by 2 y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0, or simply just consider this as equation 1 and divide equation 1 with 2, then you will get the same equation. So x square plus y square minus x minus 5 by 2y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So consider this as equation 2, and now compare equation 2 with general equation of circle. That is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g is equal to minus 1, g is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2f is equal to minus 5 by 2 and f is equal to minus 5 by 4. So what is equation of tangent? That is s1 equal to 0. So s1 equal to x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So equation of tangent is s1 is equal to x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So here g is minus 1 by 2 and f is minus 5 by 4, and here x1 and y1, that is x1 is 1 and y1 is 1. So substitute in this form. So we get x into 1 plus y into 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 plus minus 5 by 4 into y plus 1, and what is c? That is 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So x plus y minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 minus 5 by 4 into y plus 1 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 by 2 into x, that is minus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1, that is minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 into y, that is minus 5y by 4 minus 5 by 4 into 1, that is minus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So here 4 is LCM. So 4x plus 4y minus 2x minus 2 minus 5y minus 5 plus 6 equal to 0. So cross multiplication, 4 into 0, 0. So 4x plus 4y minus 2x minus 2 minus 5y minus 5 plus 6 equal to 0. So 4x minus 2x, that is 2x. 4x minus 5x, that is minus y, and minus 2 minus 5 and plus 1, that is minus 1 equal to 0. So this is equation of tangent. Now we have to find equation of normal. So equation of normal, that is y1 plus f into x minus x1 minus x1 plus g into y minus y1 equal to 0. So substitute the values. So y1, that is 1, plus what is f? Minus 5 by 4. X minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 y minus 1 equal to 0. So 1 minus 5 by 4 into x minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. So LCM 1 into 4, 4. So 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 minus, and same LCM 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 by 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. So minus x by 4, minus into minus plus 1 by 4 minus y by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So here LCM is 4, minus x plus 1 minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0, and cross multiplication, 4 into 0, 0, minus x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, taking minus as common, x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is equation of normal. Moving on to the next sum, second one. Find the equation of tangent of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 10 at the point whose abscissa are 1. So the given question is to find the equation of tangent of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 10 at the point whose abscissa are 1. So given circle, that is S is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 10 in point P. So abscissa means it is x-axis and we have to find ordinate, that is y-axis. So let us keep y. So just substitute the point P in the circle. Then we get x square plus y square is equal to 10. 1 square 1 plus y square is equal to 10. So y square is equal to 10 minus 1. Y square is equal to 9 and y is equal to root 9. So y is equal to plus or minus 3. So what is P? 1 comma y. So in y we have to keep plus or minus 3. So we got 2 points. So one is 1 comma 3 and another one that is 1 comma minus 3. Name them as A and B. So first at A, equation of tangent is, so first take point A and find the equation of tangent, and next take point B and find the equation of tangent. So what is equation of tangent? X into x1 plus y into y1 minus r square equal to 0. So if we take point A, 1 is x1 and 3 is y1. So x into 1 plus y into 3 is equal to 10. Why? Because in the given circle it is in the form x square plus y square is equal to r square. So what is r? It is 10. So we wrote 10 here. So 10 square. So x plus 3y, it's not square, minus 10 is equal to 0. Why? Because r square is 10. Okay, next at B, equation of tangent is x into x1 plus y into y1 minus r square equal to 0, and at B x1 comma y1. So x into 1 plus y into minus 3 is equal to 10. So x minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. So these are the required equation of tangent. Moving on to the next question. Third one. Find the area of triangle formed by the tangent at P x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square with the coordinate axis where x1, y1 is not equal to 0. So the given question is to find the area of triangle formed by the tangent. So formed by tangent at P x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square with the coordinate axis where x1, y1 not equal to 0. So see the solution. Given circle S is equal to x square plus y square is equal to a square, and the equation of tangent at point P x1, y1 is x1 plus y1 minus r square equal to 0. So here what is r? It is a. So x1 plus y1 minus a is equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1. Now compare equation 1 with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here a is x1, b is y1 and c is minus a square. So by comparing we got values of a, b and c. So therefore area of triangle with coordinate axis is c square by 2 mod ab. So what is the formula? C square by 2 mod ab. So what is c square? That is minus a square whole square by 2 mod a is x1 and b is y1. So minus into minus plus and a square square, that is a to the power 4. So a to the power 4 by 2 mod x1 y1. So area of triangle is a to the power 4 by 2 mod x1 y1 square units. Moving on to the next sum. Fourth one. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which are parallel to the line x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So the given question is, find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So given circle is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So from this we can find C. So what is C? Minus 4 by minus 2 comma 6 by minus 2, which is 2 comma minus 3. And what is R? Root over g square plus f square minus c. So 4 plus 9 minus into minus plus 12. So root over 25, that is 5. And also given line. So what is given line? X plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So consider a circle. Let this is center C and circle S is equal to 0, and also in the question line is given. So this is a line. So what is line? X plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So in the question circle is parallel to the line. So what is opposite to the line? Suppose this is the opposite. So this is parallel line. So we know the general form, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But the opposite form of this is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. So then what will be this line? That is x plus y plus k is equal to 0. So the parallel to tangent of above line is x plus y plus k is equal to 0. So consider this as equation 2. And also we have a condition that whenever a line touches the circle, in this case, then we have to use r is equal to d. So here we know the value of r. So now we have to find d. So equation 2 is tangent to equation 1, then r is equal to d. So r is equal to perpendicular distance from point C, that is 2 comma minus 3, to equation 2. So what is r? It is 5, and perpendicular formula, that is mod ax plus by plus c by root over a square plus b square. So here what is a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to k. So mod, so a, that is 1, and what is x? 2 plus 1 into minus 3 plus k by root over 1 square plus 1 square. So 5 is equal to mod 2 minus 3 plus k by root 2. So 5 5 is equal to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So k minus 1 by root 2. Cross multiplication. 5 root 2 is equal to mod x minus 1. Sending mod towards left side, then it becomes x k minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 5 root 2. So k is equal to 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. Substitute k value in equation 2. Then we get required tangent is, so what is second equation? X plus y plus k. So x plus y plus k. So in place of k we should write 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required tangent. Next question, fifth one. Show that the line 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So the given question is, show that the line 5x plus 12y minus 4 is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So whenever a line touches a circle, then we have a condition, that is r is equal to d. So see the solution. Given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So from this circle we can find C. So what is C? Minus 6 by minus 2 comma 4 by minus 2. So C is 3 comma minus 2. And what is R? Root over g square plus f square minus c. So 9 plus 4 minus 12. So it is root 1. So root 1 means 1. So we got C R. So we got R. Now we have to find the value of D. So D means we have to take the given line, that is given line. What is the given line? 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. So distance is perpendicular distance from line to the point C, that is 3 comma minus 2. So mod, this is x1, this is x and this is y. And what is A? It is 5, B 12 and C minus 4. So AX, so 5 into 3, that is 15, plus minus 2 into 12, that is 24, minus 24, minus 4 by root over a square plus b square, that is 25 plus 144 is equal to, so minus 24 minus 4 minus 28 minus 28 plus 15, that is mod minus 13 by 25 plus 144, that is root 169. So 13 square is 169, so 13 by root 13 square, square and root get cancelled, 13 by 13 it is 1. So what is r is equal to 1 and d is also 1. So r is equal to d. Hence the line touches the circle. Moving on to the next question. Sixth one. Show that x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0, and find its point of contact. So the given question is to show that the line touches the circle. So same like the previous sum, and we should also find the point of contact. So given, so what is the circle? X square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0. So equation 1. And what is c? Minus 3 by minus 2, that is 3 by 2, and minus 7 by 2. And what is r? Root over 9 by 4 plus 49 by 4 minus 14. So r is equal to root 9 plus 49 and 2 square 4. So just we are writing 2, and minus LCM is 46, so 14 4s 56. So 58 minus 56, so root 2 by 2. So this can written as root 2, and 2 can write as root 2 into root 2. Why? Because root 2 into root 2 whole square, square and root get cancelled, we get 2. So here root 2 get cancelled, then we get 1 by root 2. So what is r? 1 by root 2. Next, given line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Consider this as equation 2. So d is equal to perpendicular distance from equation 2 to the point C, that is 3, 2, 7 minus 7 by 2. So substitute. So A, B and C all are 1. So 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2, and C is 1 whole by root over. Okay, I will write here. A square plus B square, that is 1 square plus 1 square. So mod 3 minus 7 plus 2 by 2 whole by root 2. So minus 7 plus 5 minus 2 by 2. So minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. So what is R? 1 by root 2 and D is 1 by root 2. So R is equal to D. Hence given line is tangent to the given circle. And also in the question they asked us to find the point of contact. So let H and K be the point of contact. Okay. So therefore the point of contact formula, that is H minus x1 by A is equal to K minus y1 by B is equal to minus of A into x1 plus B into y1 plus C by A square plus B square. So what is the formula? H minus x1 by A is equal to K minus y1 by B is equal to minus into A x1 plus B y1 plus C by A square plus B square. So substitute the values, then we get H minus, so what is x1? So I will write here x1 3 by 2, y1 minus 7 by 2, and what is A from the line? 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. So by that, what is x1? 3 by 2 by what is A? 1 is equal to K plus 7 by 2. Why? Because minus of minus plus, and minus A1 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into minus 7 by 2, and what is C? Plus 1 by 1 square plus 1 square. So H minus 3 by 2 is equal to K plus 7 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 2. So H minus 3 by 2 is equal to K plus 7 by 2 is equal to, solve the, so LCM is 2, so 3 minus 7 plus 2 by 2 by 2. So H minus 3 by 2 is equal to K plus 7 by 2 is equal to minus of 7 minus 7 plus 5, that is minus 2 minus 2 2. So 2 get cancelled, minus 1 by 2, and minus of minus, it is plus. So H minus 3 by 2 is equal to K plus 7 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now separate is equal to 1 by 2. So H is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, which is 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 means H is equal to 2. And same like that, K plus 7 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So K is equal to 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So K is equal to minus 6 by 3. Sorry, 2. So K is equal to minus 3. So therefore point of contact h comma k is 2 comma minus 3. Moving on to the next sum, 7th one. Find the equation of the circle with center minus 3 comma 4 and touching y-axis. So the given question is find the equation of the circle with center minus 3 comma 4 and touches y-axis. So we have a condition. Condition for circle to y-axis, that is f square is equal to c, and given c is minus 3 comma 4, and we know that r is equal to center of x coordinate. So what is x coordinate here? Minus 3. So minus 3, that is 3. So r is equal to 3. Therefore, required equation, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x, and this is h comma k, so minus of minus plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r is 3, so 3 whole square. So x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y is equal to 9. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y, and 9 and 9 get cancelled, so plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of circle. So moving on to the next question, 8th one. If the parametric values of 2 points A and B lying on the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Then find the equation of the chord joining A and B. So the given question is, if the parametric equations of 2 points A and B lying on the circle are, one is 30 degrees and another one is 60 degrees respectively, then find the equation of chord joining A and B. So see the solution. Given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So compare this equation with general equation of circle, that is general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g is equal to minus 6 and g is equal to minus 6 by 2. So g is equal to minus 3 and 2f is equal to 4 and f is equal to 4 by 2. So f is equal to 2. So by this we got c is equal to minus 3 comma 2. So we can also find r, that is root over g square plus f square minus c. So 9 plus 4 plus 12. So it is root 25. So root 25 means 5 square and root get cancelled. And also given that two angles, one is 30 and one is 60. So let alpha is equal to 30 degrees and beta is equal to 60 degrees. So the equation of chord is x plus g into cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y plus f into sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to r cos alpha minus beta by 2. So what is equation of chord? X plus g cos into alpha plus beta by 2 plus y plus f into sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to r cos alpha minus beta by 2. So substitute the values, then we get x plus, so what is g? Minus 3. Minus 3 cos 30 plus 60 by 2 plus y plus 2 sin 30 plus 60 by 2 is equal to, what is r? 5 into cos 30 minus 60 by 2. X minus 3 into cos 90 by 2 plus y plus 2 into sin 90 by 2 is equal to 5 cos 30 by 2 minus. So 90 by 2, that is 45. So what is cos 45? 1 by root 2. So x minus 3 into 1 by root 2 plus y plus 2 into 1 by root 2 is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15. So cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So 5 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. X by root 2 minus 3 by root 2 plus y by root 2 plus 2 by root 2 is equal to 5 by 2 into root 3 plus 1 by root 2. So x minus 3 plus y 2 whole by root 2 is equal to 5 by 2 into root 3 plus 1 by root 2. So root 2 get cancelled. Then x minus 3 plus y plus 2 is equal to 5 by 2 root 3 plus 1. And x plus y minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, is equal to 5 by 2 root 3 plus 1. So cross multiplication, 2x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 5 root 3 plus 5. So 2x plus 2y minus 5 root 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 2y, taking minus common, 7 plus 5 root 3 is equal to 0. So this is the answer, and here it is plus. So here only minus 30 by 2, that is minus 15. So cos minus 15 value is this. Moving on to the next question. 9th one. Find the equation of the tangent at the point 30 degrees parametric value of theta of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 is equal to 0. So the given question is, find the equation of the tangent at the point 30 degrees of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 is equal to 0. So given circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 is equal to 0. So compare equation 1 with general equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So 2g is equal to 4, so g is equal to 2. 2f is equal to 6 and f is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 39, and r, that is root over g square plus f square minus c. So 4 plus 9 plus 39, that is root 9, 9, 18, 48 plus 4, 52. So 52 can written as 4 into 13. So 4, if we come out, then 2 root 13, and given theta is 30 degrees. So equation of tangent, that is x plus g cos theta plus y plus f sin theta is equal to r. So what is g? That is 2 cos 30 degrees plus y plus f, that is 3 sin 30 degrees is equal to 2 root 13. So x plus 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus y plus 3 sin 30 1 by 2 is equal to 2 root 13. So root 3 x by 2 plus 2 root 3 by 2 plus y by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 root 13. So root 3x plus 2 root 5 plus y plus 3 whole by 2 is equal to 2 root 13. Cross multiplication, 2 into 2 root 13, then it is 4 root 13. Root x plus y plus 2 root 3 plus 3 is equal to 4 root 13. So root 3x plus y plus 2 root 3 plus 3 minus 4 root 13 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. So I hope you all understood this, and thank you all for watching my video.